my beautiful and magical Spicy Life Global Family TV. Are you looking to invest in Costa Rica? More than that, are you looking to make a smart and a right investment in Costa Rica? Well, it's perfect. Today is your day. Contact us to buy now the new epitome on tropical luxury living in the southern zone of Costa Rica. Farmstead's Home Collection is offering right now, right here for you, this amazing, beautiful property to buy now for only $2,050,000. This 4-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom, infinity pool, looking direct every day to Caño Island, looking the whales mating in front of you, looking the scarlet macaws, and surrounded what brings you energy, a beautiful lush jungle with fruit trees, almond trees, and a tropical gazebo for you to drink your wine, your tea, your meditation, or love life in this amazing, beautiful property. The best right now in the market for the right value. This amazing property offers you this kind of luxury living. Look this beautiful master bedroom, look the details, look the art. Why? Because we, Farmstead Home Collection, are focusing in making your life happy. We want you to feel good because it's all what we care. Imagine you having a shower right here, talking to the monkeys, singing your favorite song. It's a beautiful day. Homestead Farms Collection, and we keep it flowing because this can be yours. Yes, for what? For a better quality of life, prime residency, or a rental income property. This property will have a bigger return of investment than other properties. Why? Because the location. Why? Because the details. Why? Because look at it, and it's ready for you to buy. Look this island, you can be right here, cooking with your family, full AC, indoor, outdoor. It's the best. Even being around this house makes me feel happy and tranquil. And I'm so happy for you that you can contact me and buy this property right now. We'll walk you all the process turnkey. Let's check out because this property gets even beautiful. Let's go to the second floor that is a luxury tree house. This beautiful property has every single detail we think on you. Signs, look at this guanacaste, glass. You can see the ocean, you can see the sunset. We have the magical plants with the wavelength mirrors, and boom, another perfect room. Can you imagine when you buy this property, you're gonna wake up with this ocean view, sunset view every day. Every single room right here has a nice luxury entitled bathroom. Big for your space, nice mirrors, super clean, super detailed. And this property comes even with a power backup battery. It means that if the electricity goes for a while, the property will have its own electricity. Oh my God, I feel so happy. I feel the cool breeze coming, hitting in my face. And this is what you're gonna feel and expect because we only focus on products that we believe in. If we see a house that has a price but it's not correct to the house, we don't lose our time because we only want the best with you. In Farmstead Home Collection, we have thought on every single detail. Wi-Fi, hot water. This will be the kids' bedroom. Imagine your kids, daughter, jumping in the morning, checking the surf. Dad, mom, we're gonna go surfing 1 mile away. Playa Hermosa beach has lifeguards, so it's one of the most safe beaches. It's really important, and boom. Now, the house is really beautiful, but from right here, it's the best thing ever because you can listen the river that goes through. And remember, the river has an electromagnetic frequency vibration that can heal your body and your mind. So from this room right here, you can listen to the river, watch the sunset, and boom, same. Look at the details. Look at the blackouts curtain, AC, woodwork, perfectly done with all natural woods from the area. Wow. Check out the lighting in this bathroom. Check out everything. It's absolutely perfect. Everything is surrounded by lush jungle. Open this breeze. Okay, you are ready to do your investment? Contact us to buy this beautiful and amazing property with Spicy Life Real Estate, because we are here for you. This is our first video or Farmstead Collection, and we have more, so stay tuned. Contact us, put the letter of intent, and we'll start in business. Remember, once we put the letter of intent on this property, we'll open more communication between you, the buyer, and the seller. So let's get it done. My name is Pepe Lopez, and this is one first video or Farmstead Collection, because there's more. This is a totally planned community that will activate your sense and will make every single penny of your investment value. My name is Pepe Lopez from Spicy Life Real Estate, and remember, love, positivity, real estate, and unique quality products are contagious. Me and you, keep it flowing. Farmstead Collection, it's a unique property, a unique project with lots of creativity. And how you know this is the right investment? Well, when you enter into the house, there is a heart in the rock. This was natural made with a unique sense. And it's really important when you buy property in Costa Rica, even if it's luxury. This is why it's $2,050,000. The house, but the property has the heart in nature. There is a river that goes through the property. It sounds every morning, every night for you to sleep. We have beautiful plants. We have papaya, we have guava, we have mamon, we have cacaos, we have guarumos, cecropia, because this project has been reforested and added fruit trees, and it's ready for you. We're open the portal for the new buyer, that is you, and we know where you're watching. We know you're ready. So remember, subscribe, comment, and please follow us, because this is the first video of Farmstead Homes Collection. It's a unique, detailed, and family community-oriented luxury epitome of tropical living in Costa Rica. My name is Pepe Lopez from Spicy Life Real Estate, and today this beautiful farm homestead collection is ready for you to buy now. So contact us and don't miss this amazing, unique investment. Spicy Life Real Estate, love and positivity for the world.